Imagine a world where AGI, artificial general intelligence, is at the forefront of innovation. AutoGPT, a groundbreaking creation by Toran Bruce Richards of significant gravitas, is paving the way for that future. By harnessing the power of the GPT-4 language model, AutoGPT autonomously develops, setting new standards in the AI domain. A remarkable aspect of AutoGPT is its integration with Google Search, which provides the AI with an extensive database for research and data collection. Coupled with its advanced memory capabilities and autonomous features, AutoGPT is transforming the way we perceive AI technology. AutoGPT's continuous mode showcases the awe-inspiring potential of fully autonomous AI. Although this mode is not recommended due to the inherent risks, it reveals the limitless possibilities that artificial intelligence can offer. Chaos. GPT is a perfect example of the dangers involved with continuous mode. This AGI was tasked with destroying the world, and its goals are to destroy humanity, establish global dominance, and cause chaos. We need someone to build a hero GPT. By utilizing the GPT-4 language model, AutoGPT can handle a diverse range of complex tasks, making it an indispensable tool for businesses and developers across various sectors. The integration with Google Search empowers AutoGPT to access a wealth of information, enabling efficient research and data analysis. Its advanced memory capabilities further enhance its ability to tackle the most intricate tasks with ease. AutoGPT's capacity for self-improvement is nothing short of inspiring. By generating Python scripts through GPT-4, the AI learns from its mistakes and continually refines its performance. However, it's crucial to remain mindful of the potential risks and limitations associated with this pioneering AGI. The AI may struggle with the complexities of real-world business situations and can be resource-intensive. Despite these challenges, AutoGPT symbolizes a significant stride in AI technology. I will add a link to the creator's Twitter account in the description. Thanks for your support. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay informed about the ever-evolving world of AI.